It's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Alluring and adventurous, it's ready to cater to your daring nature. Features include external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.